शेनवारा वास्को पोलिसांनी 1 लाखाचो गांजो जप्त केलो। मेळिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण बिजापूरच्या 19 वर्साचो सुयश अंबरनाथ ह्या तरणाट्याक 1 लाख रुपया मोलाच्या गांजा सयत अटक केलो। फुडलो तपास सुरू आसा।
Yesterday evening, late evening it was, our staff was on patrolling duty in the Vasco city. So when our staff reached near Joshi Chowk, they found one person moving suspiciously in that area with one bag. So accordingly they stopped him and conducted inquiry with him. So he didn't give any satisfactory answers. So after that his search was taken and the bag was checked. So we found some 1 kg ganja in his bag. So his name was found as Suyash Ambarnath, age about 19 years. He is a native of Bijapur, Karnataka. So accordingly we detained him and we brought him at a police station and we booked him under the relevant sections of NDPS. And now presently we have arrested him and now we will produce him before the court and we will take the remand for further inquiry to ascertain the exact source of drugs.